We will continue with journal entries from the transaction that we have recorded. In the first video, we have identified what are the transactions and what are the accounts that involve. Now we're going to prepare the journal entries. Journal entries, once again, is the first book entry in accounting. So the first one, Betty transferred cash. Right. So November 1st. So debit. Cash account. Before that, I would like to play some sort of tables. debit side. Credit side. So November 1st, debit cash account. Then credit. How much is it? Then November 11, November 1st. This one pay the rent. Debit rent account, credit cash. Get to fit in the amount 27750. Two 7,750. This one 4,000. Sorry. 2,750. Okay. Right. So this is the first transaction, the second transaction, the third transaction now. November 6. Okay, this one is purchase of office equipment, debit office equipment. Credit. Cash, yes, cash. On account, sorry, on account, accounts payable. Okay, how much? 12. 12. 12. Okay. Number 8. Debit. Purchase of truck, debit truck account, TRUCQ. How much? 32,500. Credit is cash, cash. How much? 6,500. And we have another balance repair. Accounts, notes payable. Notes payable. Yeah, notes payable. Okay. Continue with the next one. Purchase supplies 1860. Supplies account. Cash. Okay. 1860. 1860. Okay. Same with cash, we have paid 1860. Save this one. Save there. Next one is number 12. So what happened with number 12? Receive cash for job completed. So debit cash. Cash. Fees earned. How much? 7,500. November 15. Bit annual debit annual paid annual premium. Okay, sorry, prepaid insurance. Okay, edit. Let's edit the cash. How much? 2,400. 2,400. Credit 2,400. Okay, add some more. 15, 23rd. Recorded jobs completed on account. Job completed on account means that we have performed these services and we have sent invoice to customer, but customer haven't paid, so we haven't received any cash yet, so we have to create accounts receivable. Okay, and the partner is fees earned. The amount is 12,440. Okay, 12,440. 24th. Receive an invoice for truck's expense. So we have used the truck and there are some expenses. Okay, expenses related to the truck. So debit truck expenses. Okay, and credit to be paid. So accounts payable. Accounts payable, and the amount is 1,900. Okay, so this video shows how to record the journal entries. Okay, so we continue with another video. Thank you.